In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project file in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to package your project so someone else can open it with all media intact, without those annoying missing file errors. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project you want to share. Before changing any settings, click an empty gray area in the timeline so nothing is selected. This makes sure the changes you're about to make apply to the whole project, not just a single clip or text layer. Look to the right panel and open Details, then click Modify in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to the Import Materials section, choose Copy to Project, and click Save. This part is crucial. It tells CapCut to copy every piece of media you used into the project's own folder. If you skip it, the project will try to reference files from your computer, and the recipient will see broken links. Next, let's locate where CapCut stores your projects. In Details, you can see the saved location, but here's a quick way to get there. Click the Windows search bar, type %appdata%, and press Enter. That opens the roaming folder. At the top, click App Data to go back, open Local, scroll down, and open CapCut. Follow this path: User Data, then Projects, then LV Editor Draft. This is where all your CapCut projects live. If you're not sure which folder is your project, go back to Details in CapCut and note the project ID. Match that ID to the folder name you see in LV Editor Draft. Once you've found it, right-click the correct project folder and select Copy. On Windows 11, you might see a copy icon, while on Windows 10, you'll see Copy in the menu. Paste the folder onto your desktop so it's easy to work with. Now compress it. Right-click the pasted project folder and choose Compress to Zip file. You can rename the zip itself if you like, but don't change the internal folder structure. When it's done, this zip is safe to send via email, cloud drive, or any file sharing method you prefer. For the recipient, they should extract the zip first, then drag the resulting project folder, not the zip, into their CapCut directory at App Data, Local, CapCut, User Data, Projects, LV Editor Draft. They can find this location the same way using %appdata% and navigating back to Local. After placing the folder, they can open CapCut. The project will appear automatically and open normally with all media included. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.